everybody, Mrs. Hamilton here. I am going to show you how to minimize your screen in Zoom so that you are able to click on other windows while you're in a Zoom meeting. Okay, so if we go up here to the right-hand corner, so usually when you're doing a Zoom meeting, you will have your video up, and then this screen that you see in front of you will be all the other pictures of everybody else, okay? So if I'm looking in the top right-hand corner here, this little symbol right here is the minimize symbol. So watch what happens when I click it. Okay, so now the window is minimized. If I go back over here to the little picture of Zoom, I'm able to open it back up again. I can also click on this green arrow if I have a little floating box here, and that will exit my minimized video. And that is how you minimize a video in Zoom. What's nifty about it is that now that my window is minimized, now I can go in to my OSD portal. I could go to Schoology if I needed to. I could go look at a document that my teacher wants me to look at, and we can all work on it together. All right. I know you can figure this out, and I'm excited to see you do some minimizing.